B.Tech Civil Engineering. I completed my qualification at 20 President's University, passed out year is 2020. And later on that, leaving a civil part, I chose an IT because of the career. I really interested in IT. So some people suggested me to take a technologies on IT field. So I just came and visited Jspider Rajajinagar. Later on that, I came to know about the knowledges regarding the IT sectors, which I have to choose, and which is very good and which is very booming. The faculties and HRs helped me a lot by telling me about the software skills and all, developing my skills. So here I am based with that good package, and that's all is of my side. Thank you.